Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has been making waves in the 3D printing community, the Creality Ender 5 Max. We've placed a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. The Creality Ender 5 Max is an impressive large build 3D printer that boasts a remarkable 400 by 400 by 400 mm build volume. This generous size allows you to create significantly larger models or even batch produce multiple parts simultaneously, which is a game changer for designers and businesses alike. With this printer, you can tackle oversized prototypes or efficiently manage print farm tasks without needing to split your models into smaller sections. One of the standout features of the Ender 5 Max is its ultra-efficient CoreXY system, capable of printing at speeds of up to 700 mm per second. This means you can print more in less time, making it an ideal choice for creators and print farms seeking high-speed, efficient performance. The engineering behind this machine ensures that precision is maintained even during rapid production, which is essential for achieving high-quality outputs. Built with print farms and scale production in mind, the Ender 5 Max offers WLAN multi-printer control. This feature allows you to manage multiple printers from a single interface, making it easier to keep large-scale production organized and efficient. Whether you're running a studio or a business that relies heavily on 3D printing, this printer is designed to enhance your workflow and productivity. Durability is another key aspect of the Ender 5 Max. Its rigid all-metal frame, made from reinforced die-cast aluminum, minimizes vibrations, ensuring stability for tall or heavy prints. Coupled with a precision linear rail for the X-axis, this setup boosts accuracy across wider prints, giving you consistent, repeatable high-quality results over time. One feature that stands out for both beginners and professionals is the fully automatic 64-point leveling system paired with an automatic Z-offset. This ensures that every project starts with perfect calibration, providing strong first-layer adhesion without the hassle of manual adjustments. This automated system not only enhances success rates but also saves valuable time, making it a user-friendly choice for anyone looking to get started with 3D printing. The Ender 5 Max is also equipped with a robust dual-gear extruder designed for 24/7 reliability. This direct drive system is engineered for smooth extrusion and long-term stability, making it suitable for continuous production environments. With hardened gears and a strong feeding force, you can expect minimized clogging and increased uptime, which is crucial for print farm operations. Finally, let's talk about the heating capabilities of this printer. The 1000W rapid heating bed reaches working temperatures in just minutes, supporting a wide range of materials, including PLA, PTG, ABS, ASA, and PA, among others. This versatility, combined with the epoxy build plate and efficient heating system, ensures better adhesion and a faster workflow across various materials, enabling you to experiment and create freely. In summary, the Creality Ender 5 Max is a powerhouse for anyone from hobbyists to professional designers and businesses. Its large build volume, high-speed printing, and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for a variety of practical applications, whether you're creating prototypes, producing batch parts, or managing a busy print farm.